What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is an authorized practice of detecting vulnerabilities in an application, system, or organization's infrastructure and bypassing system security to identify potential data breaches and threats in a network. Ethical hackers aim to investigate the system or network for weak points that malicious hackers can exploit or destroy. They can improve the security footprint to withstand attacks better or divert them. The company that owns the system or network allows cybersecurity engineers to perform such activities in order to test the system's defenses. Thus, unlike malicious hacking, this process is planned, approved, and more importantly, legal. Ethical hackers aim to investigate the system or network for weak points that malicious hackers can exploit or destroy. They collect and analyze the information to figure out ways to strengthen the security of the system network applications. They can improve their security footprint.